Now you guys can see we are holding this trade with 50 lot size on boom 300. Let's see, we are waiting for a big spike with the same stop loss of 3 candles. Let's see if there is a spike or not. 50 standard loss, 3 orders, 5 orders, and we are waiting for a massive spike. Let's see, before 110 spike, and now we are waiting for a big one. And once this spike appear, we'll close this trade in profit, and maybe there's a 3 candle stop loss hit and we close this trade in loss. We are waiting for spike. So keep watching, guys, and see the accuracy of system. Okay, guys, look here, guys, big spike. So this is the power of system.